If your scalp is irritating you, itching you, your hair is breaking, shedding, or not growing, do not screw this video, because I am sharing a DIY scalp raising tea for hair growth made with pineapple leaf, moringa, and neem. This is very powerful, and I hope you will try it while you are watching this 2026. Let's do it together. If your scalp is irritating you, these are the things that you need to incorporate into your routine, because this DIY scalp raising teas almost ran my hair because I use it in the wrong way. Today I'm sharing it to you guys how you can use it correct way, with correct method, to get a result from it, because it's very helpful, but you must know how to use it. If you don't know how to use it, you can use it the wrong way for your hair and you cannot get the benefit. So right now, let's go ahead and start preparing it. To prepare it, now I put my pineapple leaf inside my pot, and after that I added my handful of moringa into it. So after put it inside, the next thing that I'm going to bring is my neem. Neem also is one of the powerful ingredients that, if you don't know, if you are not putting it inside, adding it into your things, please start putting it or start adding it into your routine. This thing is going to help you to get thicker hair, get out of your irritation scalp. If your hair is breaking, you will come out without any breaking hair again. If you have shedding hair, if you have thinning hair, if your edges is very weak, so please be using this thing for your hair. So now I bring my neem. I'm going to add that one also, maybe one handful also neem inside on my pot, to add it into these ingredients. Right now, guys, it's very good for you to start using it, because this is the practical way also, and it's very important when you are looking for a way to grow your hair healthy, long hair, thicker hair. Please start using. If you are not using, racing tea, if you are not using, you are not incorporating it into your routine, please start using it. So right now, after I put everything inside, I'm going to bring my hot water to pour it inside and send it into the fire. So this thing, how many minutes that is good for you to boil it? At least boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's okay for you to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. So pineapple leaf is strengthening hair. It's also adding natural shining and supporting scalp circulation, which is very good. So while you are using pineapple leaf in your hair, and moringa also is supporting thicker, strong hair and reducing dryness and shedding. It's also nourishing hair follicles and improving hair strands, which is very good from moringa while you are using it. Moringa is one of the best ingredients. Also, you can use it, add it into your racing tea, you can add it into your oils, your butters, use it as a leave-in conditioner. So many things that you can use this herb to get a maximum result from it. So after that, I put it on fire. I'm going to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes and off the fire. Actually, I'm not going to just let it get cool like that, because like I need to use it. Normally you can just do it and leave it for 10 or 6 hours before you use it, but for me, I'm going to use it for my daughter, so I need to strain it and allow it get cool fast before I use it. So now also we'll check and see. Neem also is also reducing scalp irritation and also supporting. You see what, guys, I get accident. That's why I'm just standing inside the kitchen straining this thing, because if I'm going to do it in the table, I say I'm avoiding my daughter, but me myself, I'm always causing accident. Anyway, so neem also is also reducing scalp irritations. If your scalp, you have irritation, you have itching scalp, you are using it, neem is going to reduce it, and also is going to support to clean your scalp. It's also smoothing your scalp and helping control dandruff from your hair, which is very good, right? Because some people have dandruff in their hair, but they don't know what they can do. So if you have dandruff in your hair, please tell me, comment in the comments below. Yes, I have dandruff, what can I do? I will make special video for that one if you want it. Okay, so because some people have it, they don't know how they get it, they don't know how they can remove it. Even they can wash their hair, they will say, oh, my hair is always like that, or it's not going. No, this is sickness. It's not like your hair is always like that. You have to find a way to remove that dead skin from your hair and let your scalp get nourishing. Because mind you guys, every foundation is have to start with the strong foundation. If your foundation is not strong, your construction, your building, or whatever that you are doing, you cannot get the strong thing from it. So if your scalp is not healthy, it means your hair also, you cannot get the healthy hair. You're always going to have, like, problem hair that you are going to be carrying, thinking that you have a healthy hair, not knowing that it's not a healthy hair. So anyway, so after that, I added honey inside of it. Okay, I add honey inside. Honey also is softening the hair and reducing dryness, so it's very, very good for adding it inside. I added vitamin E oil, also is repairing damaging hair. If your hair is damaging, if your edges is breaking, it's going to repair, it's repairing hair. Let me put it that way. Vitamin E oil is repairing hair, it will repair your hair for you. So now our next ingredient is jasmine oil that I'm adding. Jasmine oil also adding natural fragrance to your hair. It's adding smell, some good smells to your scalp, which is very, very good. And also, you are going to feel more comfortable while you are adding it into. You are not going to regret for using it, because there is also having a benefit for that. So guys, after mixing everything, how to do this and how you can apply it, please, you can divide it the way I'm dividing it. This one is going to be as a leave-in spray. Leave-in spray means you don't wash it, you just spray and massage your scalp and your hair. Apply your leave-in conditioner, your butters, your liquid, and leave it in. At least when you use it like that for 1 week, try to wash your hair. That's why it's very important for you to be washing your hair once in a week. Some people have some mentality, they think that if they don't wash, dirty hair is growing hair. Dirty hair is not growing hair. Dirty hair is causing by damaging you. It's going to be damaged like desert. Your when you opening it, is going the things that will become the blew up is going to be coming out. You yourself, you will not believe it. So dirty hair is dangerous from your hair. Always make sure your scalp is very clean. So how to apply the raisin tea also, guys, stay tuned with me, because actually I just bring some. I was making hair mask for my daughter, so I'm going to tell you guys, if you are doing the hair mask for your hair, then after that, what you need to do: wash your hair with shampoo. After wash your hair, shampoo and your conditioner. This one, you use this raisin tea to massage your scalp. But let me stop here and tell you something. If you are going to apply it for your children, always try to dilute it with water, because it's a little bit heavy. But if you are going to apply for yourself, then no problem, you can just use it that way. When I say that this thing always run my hair because I use it in the wrong way, please, when you come out, don't delay. Always try to add your leave-in conditioner, because if you don't add leave-in conditioner and your hair butters, this thing is going to dry your hair. And if your hair dry, it's going to cause you damaging, it's going to cause you breaking. You make this thing to grow your hair, but finally you are going to break your hair. So now, as you guys see me how I'm doing to my daughter, I'm doing hair mask. So after that, I'm going to wash it with shampoo and the conditioner. I'll use the leave-in tea, the raisin tea. I'll use it to massage her scalp. I'm going to leave it like 10 to 15 minutes inside her hair. After, I'll rinse it with water again and bring her out to moisturize her hair. By you, the mother, you can apply it and leave it in your hair without washing it out again. When you just come, you do the necessary thing. But the children, try to wash it because it's a little bit heavy. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.